you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing some unboxings and I have my IPSY Glam Bag from March. I think they call it the IPSY Original. I'm still calling it the Glam Bag. So it is this super cute, it's like a suede, and it has these little sunflowers embossed on it. I'm not sure if you could see if it's picking up. And it has this little sun charm. Love that. And the theme for March is do less, glow more. Wow, I'm literally embodying that because I have taken so much rest recently and just been focusing on glowing. So it has a little sneak peek. It has some information about cleansers. Pause if you want to read that. So let's get into it. First thing is the Dr. JART Ceramide mask. They just gave one little sheet sample. Skin barrier moisture mask. Love these. First thing in the little bag is this pore perfecting prebiotic toner. A little travel toner. Next is the K-Boss Pixie powder. And this is in Murray Hill. Okay. Weird. In my hometown, there's an area of town called Murray Hill, and it's not a great area, so what do they call it that? Interesting, it's just like a bone color. Next is the DEUX Reviving Eye Gel. Another little mini. So tiny. Next is the Halo Neon Lip Drip in Gloss Me. I do believe I chose this one. Oh, it says HOLA Neon, not Halo. It does look pretty opaque, so let's see. Beautiful. Just like a basic lip gloss, honestly. It's not too thin, it is a little bit thicker. No stickiness. I do have a lip stick on, so I just put that over it. But it's really nice. Hand so you can see the color. And then the last in this little bag is the Tatcha Daily Clarifying Gel Cleanser. And that is what was in my IPSY Glam Bag for March. If you like these videos, leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next, and thank you for watching.